Today, I'm here to review a product that is a long time coming. We've had chicken, we've had waffles, we've had potato chips, we've had chicken and waffles, but we've not had chicken, waffles, and potato chips as one until this very moment. Because my wife got me these. We're going to try these right now. The bag's already open because I did this once before and it didn't really work that well. So we'll get right into it. I'm holding a chip. The chip is folded. It was in my mouth. And it tastes pretty freaking gross. Let's just be real. Now, I tend to eat my potato chips two ways. One, as a snack by themselves. Two, with a sandwich. I'm going to see how they work as a snack on an individual level. Still pretty gross. Let's see how they pair with a sandwich. Shockingly enough, they still taste really bad. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great night.